Hi, Ambassadors. Rick here from the EquiLife Ambassador program. And this is Impact Tutorials. And this tutorial is going to be, I guess, kind of a part of a series. The series is going to be called Did My Order Track? And this tutorial is going to cover your pending actions screen and what that shows and what that means. So the pending action screen is a really useful screen to visit within Impact to kind of see what's been tracking and maybe what hasn't been tracking within the last month plus. Um, so pending actions are any orders. Impact calls orders actions. So pending actions are any orders that haven't been approved yet by the system. Every order needs to be approved before they can be processed and then paid out to you, the commissions, that is. And it's done that way just to protect us against returns and stuff of that nature. So we're not commissioning out on an order that was returned. And also it allows us to make corrections to any orders as well if there are happens to be any issues. So what I'm going to show you here is I'm going to show you the pending action screen, and this screen will always only encompass the actions from the current month that you're in and the prior month. That's it. So anything older than that, you won't see those actions in there. It doesn't mean that they're not in Impact. They just won't be in your pending action screen because they're not pending anymore. They've been approved. So it's a good screen to kind of give you a snapshot as to what's been happening recently, but it's not an all-encompassing view. But still, I think it's a very useful view. So I'm going to show you where to go. So just click this arrow in the bottom, or sorry, in the top right of your Impact dashboard and select pending actions from the dropdown. And here you go. Here's your pending actions. Now, I just placed a test order a short while ago so that I would have a pending action actually showing up in here to demonstrate for you. So you can see this is the order that I placed a little while ago at around 2:23 this afternoon. And you can see the sale amount and then the earnings. So it's $5 on a $49.95 purchase. Now, if you click this little plus symbol here, this will expand and give you more details as to what's in this order. You will see that it puts through the SKU. Sometimes, but not always, but sometimes it pulls through the name of the product, which is great. In this case, it did. In other cases, sometimes it doesn't, and you only have the SKU. You will always have the SKU, so if you want to check that. And then it gives you the category, which is, gives you the category, which is supplements. And then the quantity, which is 1. So it really just gives you good details on the order. And then another thing that is interesting to check out when you're in this screen is this action ID. Every order has a unique action ID attached to it in Impact. And this is hyperlinked because you can click this to find out more details about the order. So if you click this, you'll see it'll give you those details. Again, you can see the SKU, the sale amount, the payout, the quantity, the name of the product, the category. You can see the partner, which is me, but in your case, it'll be you. The referral date, meaning when the link was first clicked, and then the action date, which is when the sale actually went through. And then this gives you an idea as to when to expect to start seeing your commission from this order. So the locking date, meaning when it will move from pending to approved, that's March 1st of 2023 because I placed this order in January. And then the scheduled clearing date is April 2nd, 2023. The clearing date means that means when they'll actually process to you your payout from this order. So that's when you can expect to see your payout from this order. I know it's a little confusing, the payout cadence sometimes. This helps kind of clarify it a little bit, and you can kind of see when you're going to receive commissions from which orders. And that's basically it. I mean, you can also see that it says it came from my online tracking link. That's just the general tracking link. That's on the right-hand side of your dashboard, which I covered in another tutorial. But yeah, this is a very useful screen, and this is something where usually within an hour to 2 hours you'll see these show up in your pending action screen. So it's a good quick check to see if your order tracked, and obviously to see if everything looks correct with your order. So that's it for this video, and hopefully this was helpful in checking to see if your order's tracked.